Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I showed you how I made this really pretty non-light LED centerpiece using these drawers that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I only used the inside of the drawers for that project, so in today's video, I show you what I did with the other half of those drawers. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with, then just keep watching. For this project, I used 6 of the Dollar Tree wooden drawers, some black paint, 2 of their 4x5-inch square mirrors. I used some glitter ribbon that I had left over from last Christmas, 6 packs of these 3-inch mirrors that I purchased from Michael's, hot glue, and strong adhesive. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I used for this project down in the description box. So the first thing I did was use a cosmetic sponge to paint my wooden drawers black. In most cases, I did not paint my entire box. I only focused on painting the areas of my box that would not be covered with my mirrors. Once the paint dried, I thought that the black was a bit dull, so I decided to glam up my design by covering the corners of my box with silver glitter ribbon. Next, I removed the black tabs from each of my 3-inch mirrors, and then I used a strong adhesive and hot glue to attach 5 mirrors to each of my wooden boxes. I purchased my 3-inch mirrors from Michael's craft store. They usually run you about $2 per pack. However, Michael's oftentimes will offer 40% off when you place your order online and go in-store for pickup. So I ended up only paying a little over $7 for all 30 of my 3-inch mirrors. While my box is dried, I removed the black tabs and the stickers from the back of my 4.5-inch mirrors, and then I used hot glue to attach Tower Game wooden pieces to the back of those mirrors. I again used hot glue to cover up the perimeter of the wooden game pieces with that same glitter ribbon. Next, I began building my mirrored candle holder. I added 3 of the mirrored blocks to each of my 4.5-inch mirrors, allowed my candle holders to dry for a complete 24 hours, and here's the finished look. I think that these very modern and unique candle holders fit perfectly into my home decor. They were easy and simple to make, and I think that they turned out beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.